Movement and terminologies. Hello everyone! So I'm gonna make this video, which is instructional video about movement terminologies. So in this instructional video, we will explore different movement terminologies in anatomy and physiology of the human body. This video is for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and also simple people who want to know or who want to learn some movement terminologies. So this video is for you to have a deeper foundation on what happened to our anatomy and physiology of our human body if it's moved. And also, in addition, it can help to function our body appropriately, healthy and wealthy. Diba nga ang sabi sa quote, according to the famous quote, our health is our wealth. So, let's start. Gliding movement, a type of movement between two flat surfaces in which one surface moves one another without any angular or rotatory movements. Angular movement, flexion, bending movement that decreases the angle between two bones. Extension, straightening movement that increases the angle between two joints. Hyperextension, excessive extension beyond anatomical position. Abduction, movement of a body that apart away from the midline of the body. Abduction, movement of a body that apart toward the midline of the body. Circumduction movement, a circular movements that involve all of the upper parts movements such as eyes and etc. Rotational movement, lateral, rotation away from the midline of the body. Medial, rotation toward from the midline of the body. Supination, rotation of the forearm and hand. Pronation, rotation of the forearm and hand. Special movement, inversion, movement of the foot so that the sole faces inward. Eversion, movement of the foot so that the sole faces outward. Dorsiflexion, upward movement of the foot at the ankle joints. Plantar flexion, downward movement of the foot at the ankle joints. Opposition, movement of the thumb towards the fingers or palm. Reposition, movement of the thumb back to anatomical position. Protraction, moving a body part anteriorly in the horizontal. Retraction, reverse movement. Elevation, upward movement of a body part such as the scapula. Depression, downward movement of a body part such as the scapula.